Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parvin. Friends, as we all know, now the CNR rule finalized gazetted document has been published, and this has also been tweeted in X or Twitter by the School Education Department today. But the CNR rule finalized gazetted version was published on 6th March only. On the same day, we also made a merit calculator to help aspirants on the request of the aspirants, and we have also shared that merit calculator in our Telegram channel and Telegram group also. But still aspirants are having little bit confusion. That's why I am making this short video to make it easy for you all to understand. See, as I already told you, on 6th March 2026, the Government of Karnataka issued this official notification finalizing the CNR rule for PSTR and GPSTR teacher recruitment. Earlier draft was also published with the same things only. In January it was published, and now they have finalized this rule and published it in official gazette on 6th March. See, as per this notification, the selection weightage, it remains same as in the draft rule. That is for PSTR, 70% weightage from CET exam, 20% from TET, 8% from PUC, and 2% weightage will be from DED. So total weightage will be 100%. And for GPSTR, 70% will be from CET exam, 20% from TET, 8% from degree marks, and 2% weightage from BEd. So total weightage will be 100%. But if you have any doubt while calculating, or if you are confused, then you simply use our merit calculator. We have made a merit calculator for this purpose only, and we have given link of that merit calculator in our Telegram channel. If you have not joined our Telegram channel, you can join right now with the link given in the description below this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe right now, because you get all important classes and updates related to all teacher recruitment exams in Karnataka in our channel. So basically, the moral of the story of this entire thing is that in GPSTR and PSTR, the main key point is the CET exam, which will carry the highest weightage, that is 70% of the weightage, and the performance in the competitive exam will play the most important role in the final selection of the merit list. Okay, so I really hope that you are preparing seriously for your CET exam, because now that will only decide your future and in what position you will be there in the merit list. Okay, so please take it seriously and keep your preparations on. If you have not started, then please start your preparation right now. You can stay connected with us in the Telegram channel and Telegram group. Okay, thank you. All the best. Bye.